Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get 120 FPS on a Capcut. As you can see, I even have the Pro version, and let me open up this project and show you. So a lot of people have been making these videos on how to get 120 FPS on a Capcut. Well, let me show you. When you click on this icon right here next to, let's see, 1080p, right? Or if your video was in 720p, you'll see that right there, 720p. You click on the arrow, and you can see the resolution. It can go up to 4K, okay, 2K, 4K, and frame rate for smoother playback goes up to 60 frames per second. Okay, so this right here, frame rate is 60, and code rate, you can also increase this to high, but that's pretty much it. You cannot actually get 120 FPS on CapCut yet. Everyone's making fake videos about it, so I want to be completely honest with you. I hope you appreciate the honesty. If you do, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.